Aloha, everybody. This is Joshua Hayes at BigWaveTrading.com coming to you with the only market wrap up that we're going to do tonight for a couple of reasons. A lot of you guys are going to find out tomorrow that we're making a personal financial decision on the website that affects nobody but will change some things, and we will be announcing this tomorrow. So we had to discuss this today. Also, I had a 2 hour meeting with my accountant today, and it was just uh, there. Even now, I'm at a loss of words to describe the despair in an 80-year-old man's voice. It was just odd, and he let me into he let me see some figures that he did not show anybody else because my trading record was by far the best he's seen this year. He was very impressive, but of course he had opinions about the market for me. But some of the things he showed me, there is just no way we can turn this year. I am sorry. I mean, if Maui looks like it does, the mainland, it just must be horrible. And the people that actually have numbers to the books and can actually see the data, they literally must be crapping in their pants. I think I saw something like Japanese imports or something was like that was down 46% year over year. Guys, we are getting numb to these statistics because they are so shocking. We can't even comprehend them. And we can't even comprehend how the market moves. And once again, market looks like it's about ready to break wide open and split wide open. The only caveat was the lower volume, and then of course we get a bounce today to recover it. Still, overall, you can still see the trend is very much down. There was higher volume on the NYSE today than the day before, and higher volume on the NASDAQ than the day before. But still, let's back up and look at the October-September volume. Let's compare the NASDAQ volume now to then and compare the New York Stock Exchange volume to then. Does that look capitulatory to you? If the answer that you just said was no, you are correct. That is not capitulation. So we're still in a downtrend in all time frames, and I have to be honest. I'm about ready to say something that I have never said, and this is the truth. I am at stock market analysis paralysis. The charts are jacked up. We have been very blessed to make money in our shorts, like 90% in CETV, 80% and 84% in CEDC, 70% in CYT, and then I see here 58, 67, 61, 52, 70, 57, 48, 53, 47, 92, 80, 62% returns, and then 24, 23, 16, 30, 32, 24, 21, 15, 23 in our recent short returns. And in our two longs up today, AIPC, it's already up 32%. ANCI still up 53%. AOKE fell down 49, gives us a 49% return. PRGO now gives us a 31% return. So we're still making money. But the shocking is the charts that are looking really well just get cracked out of nowhere. And those of you that know the gold stock I'm talking about know what I'm talking about. It's like, wow, how in the hell can that happen? Well, it can. It's just how the way this market is right now. It's in a spit. It's in a mix of basic it doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. Let's just be honest here. It doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. It knows it wants to keep going down over the long term, and we know it wants to go down. We're looking at a weekly of the New York Stock Exchange since 2004, but really you just need to look at 2007, 8, and 9. So you can completely tell, and also by your volume bars, where the market wants to go, not higher. However, what speed does it want to take getting there? In my opinion, it wants to appear to be a slow death. So we're going to have to deal with a slow death and ride our shorts lower. But whenever I look at research and motion, I don't see any reason to cover any there. When I look at Apple, I see no reason to cover any. We have big gains in these, by the way, so I'm not revealing any secrets. Moss, I see no reason to cover there, even with the 8% up day. Pot with the 7% up day, that's still below yesterday's highs a day. So I see no reason to cover. And in fact, I mean, here's some of my main covers. OKE was down 4% today on huge volume, so that's a cover. And then PRGO was down 4% today on very strong volume. That's a cover. So those were mainly my covers, besides some new bank positions that we took a little bit off of. But bottom line is, How can we be saying that this is a bottom when I'm looking right here and seeing new longs for today? 0. New stocks I am adding today? 0. Full covers? 0 out of how many shorts? 43. Folks, I have 43 shorts and not one gave me a full cover today. Not one. And only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 even gave me a partial cover. And 3 of those were for gains on the day as they went down. So I am completely confused how people are calling this a bottom and how Ben Bernanke has put the floor in. The floor's in. I will believe it when I see it. When the New York Stock Exchange gets back above the 50-day moving average on huge volume, and I get stocks breaking out everywhere that look like my big winner, AIPC, which is where we should have been long here in August and especially here in June. We should already have a 211% gain, but Telecharts does not have over-the-counter bulletin board stocks. So once again, I will thank you, Telechart, for preventing us from having a 200% winner in a market that's barely returning any winners. How much time do I have? Plenty of time. Excellent. And here's the secondary buy point in August, which we would have been shaken out of over half of it, but we still would have had half, 175. And that goes from our long right now, which, like I told you, 32% gain. Still, this was such a beautiful chart for Telechart not to let us have whenever it was on over-the-counter bulletin board. And honestly, if anybody that works in the Wharton department actually watches these free videos that I do produce, for God's sakes, man, add over-the-counter bulletin board stocks, Chinese stocks, and Indian stocks, or else you're going to lose business to other software providers that have it. I know you guys don't talk about new software upgrades, but dang it, we're sick of it. OTCBB has a lot of stocks where Max Green Bop and big volume surges work in momentum, and we're missing out on the gains. Not only that, China and India is clearly, and Latin America in Eastern Europe are clearly the newer markets. My phone's ringing, so I need to stop that and then call her back. And so right now, we need Telechart to get on the ball. If they don't get on the ball, then we're going to be subjective to our little 30, 50% to 99% gains in shorts as this market has problem. Now, with the few moments I have left, I'm going to show you Platinum because they had a big down day today. However, did it close at its low of day? No. Silver had a big down day today. Did it close at its low of day? No. Gold had a big down day today. Did it close at its low of the day? No. This still shows you that even when they try to destroy the metals, and I'm going to go to the dates here on gold, down 2.49%, couldn't close the low of the day. Down 3.98%, still couldn't close the low of the day. To this day, down 2.62%, still couldn't close the low of the day. Down 1.73%, still couldn't close the low of the day. Down 2.9%, still can't close the low of the day. Folks, I still honestly believe in your IRA, any pullback to the 50-200-day moving average, or heck, even below it, if you average in $250 or $2,500 every month into your $2,500, you obviously can't do it in your IRA. So if you do $250 every month and buy gold or buy silver or buy platinum, I honestly believe if you have a 25-year horizon, you will have a lot more money now than tomorrow. And why? Because I'm going to find this chart on my desktop. Notice what my desktop is, so I know that I'm not making this a secret to anybody, but this is the way it's got to be. There's a picture I need to show you guys of, where is it? I got to find it, and it's going to be so hard to do. So I'm going to arrange icons by type. Picture files, there it is, right there. Nope, that's me. Ha! Is this it? Nope, that's all the people that have been arrested that are wearing Barack Obama stuff. There's Barack Obama not saluting. So I don't know why the picture that I want is not up here, but for some odd reason it is not up here. But basically what it is it is the graph of the United States money supply from the St. Louis Fed. In fact, I might be able to pull it up really quickly as I go here really quick. Let's see, Google. Oh, what am I thinking? My own Facebook page has it. So I'm going to go to facebook.com. I'm going to go to my page, and I'm going to pull it up. So hopefully we can do this really quickly. Profile. There was a huge discussion in my Facebook today that was not friendly. Let's put it that way. Okay, and here we go. Here's the chart I'm showing you. In 25 years, if you don't believe, look at this money. This is the money. This is the amount of dollar bills that are out there, folks. If you don't believe in 20 to 25 years, gold is going to be worth more than the dollar, you don't know history. That's about all I got to say. This is your Fed printing your dollars. If you think what we bought yesterday is going to cost the same tomorrow, you are out of your mind. So I still say long-term accounts, any pullback, gold, silver, platinum is a buy. This is Joshua Hayes of BigWaveTrading.com. Aloha.